Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine. So, up to 7, we have completed our question of exercise 3A. Let's start question number 8. So, question number 8 is a man after a tour find that he had spent every day as many rupees as the number of days he had been on a tour. How long did his tour last if he had spent in all rupees 1296? So let's understand this question. This question is based on perfect square root. Why? Because he had spent every day as many rupees as number of day he has to be on a tour. So he has, if he spent X days on a tour, then he spent X rupees on every day. Both the numbers, both the quantities are same. So total money, how he spent total money, that means X multiply by X, number of days multiply by number of rupees spent in each day. So X multiply by X become X square. So X square equals to 1296. How we find X? If we squaring both side. Okay, if we divide it by 2, X square divided by 1 by 2, and 1269 divided by 1 by 2. So here 2 cancel with 2. There is only X left. And there 1269 raised to power 1 by 2 become under root of 1296. And how we solve under root? As we solve the previous question, first of all we make it factors. Divide it by 2, then divide it by 3, up to here we get our perfect square. Then mention all the factors in the under root, make its pair, and then take it out one number because that is outside from the pair. So value of X is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That means X equals to 36. Okay. So the required number of days is a 36 and number of rupees spent in each day is also rupees 36. So that's why total money spent is 36 into 36, 1296. Okay. Hope you clear this question. Now see question number 19. Out of 745 students, maximum are to be arranged in the school field for the PT display such that the number of row is equal to the number of column. Find the number of row if 16 students were left out after the arrangement. So if there are 4 number of rows, it means 4 number of rows and 4 number of column. It means perfect square. So total number of students are 745 and student left after standing in arrangement is a 16. So first of all left the students who are out of the arrangement. So number of students who were in arranged is 745 minus 16 and 745 minus 16 is 729. So how many number of rows and how many number of student in each row is a perfect square of 729. And how we find the perfect square root of 729? By making its factors. And when we factorize it, make the factors here. If you get it in a pair, then take out common outside of each number. So it is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So that is the final answer of our question number 9. In which way we solve our perfect square. Okay. Now see question number 10. Question number 10 is 13 and 31 is a strange pair of numbers such that their squares are 169 and 961 are also the mirror images of each other. See, there are mirror image. Mirror image means if you put a mirror here, then you will easily get 961 in the mirror image. Find 2 more such pairs. So it is based on your practice, bache, that how you find the other 2 pairs. Okay, I will give you the 2 pairs. So that 2 pairs are, see there in a question. So this is given to you that 13 square is 169 and 31 square is 961. Similarly, the other 2 pair are 12 and 21. Because 12 square is 144, 21 square is 441, which is also have a mirror image. And in the similar way, another pair is 102 and 201. Because if we multiply 102, we get the result 10,404. And when we multiply 201 square, then we get the result 40,401. So that is the 2 numbers. If you find the another number, then you can also mention that number. Okay. So let's see question number 11. Find the smallest perfect square divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. Understand this properly. Find the smallest perfect square. Okay. We have to find the smallest perfect square divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's see how we solve this question. So these are the numbers. First of all, which numbers are given to you, you have to find its LCM. And how we find LCM? 3, 4, 5, 6. Arrange in a factor. Then first of all take the smallest prime number 2, divide it, only 4 and 6 divide by 2, so write it. Again divide by 2, 2 divisible, or other numbers are left, so there is become a 3 as such. Then divide by 3 and then divide by 5. So LCM of these four numbers are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is 60. Now see student, this is not a perfect square. Why this is not a perfect square? Because 2 twos are, we have to make a pair of 2, but there is a 3 single number and 5 single number, and to make it a perfect square we have to multiply by 3 and we have to multiply by 5. Similarly, if you add 2 extra number multiplicated here, then similar 2 multiplication number you should add there also. Okay, so if you multiply 3 and 3 and 5 there, then you should multiply by 3 and 5 on the right hand side also. So in this way, here I am also writing a detail. So in this multiplication, 3 and 5 are not in pair, so we should multiply by 3 and 5 to get the perfect square. So what is the required perfect square is 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 5 into 5. So that means 60 multiplied by 15, answer is a 900. So that's the answer of question number 11. Let's see question number 12. So question number 12 is, if under root 784 is 28, find the values of these two questions, which are very easy. I am solving the first part. Second part you should solve by yourself. So under root 784 is 28. Find the value of these two. So this is given to you, that value of 784 is 28. So what is the value of 7.84 under root? First of all, solve the point. It becomes 784 over 100. Then make a factorize. 784 is 28 into 28. 100 is 10 into 10. So there in a numerator become a factor, in a denominator become a factor. It will be 28 by 10. The result is 2.8. And similarly, the next is factor is 784 with 20. It means 78,400. Okay, and how you split this number? 784 multiplied by 100. Again, we know that under root of 784 is 28. So it write as 28 into 28. 100 write as 10 into 10. Make it pair. Take it out common number and you will get answer 280. So when you add these two under root values, then you will get 2.8 plus 280. Then the result will become 282.2. So that is the answer of your first part. And in the similar way, all of you have to solve its second part. Okay, so that's your homework. So in this way, your exercise 3A is finished. Complete your notebooks properly and revise, writtenly revise all these questions. Thank you very much.